Hello and welcome to my channel. I am Kasturi and I'm a certified spiritual coach, and this is Currently Conscious. So, today, as you already know by the title of the video, we are going to be discussing anxiety and why anxiety happens. My subtitles redeem logote for people who do not understand Assamese, because I'm going to be talking in Assamese as well. And without further ado, let's get started. First things first, anxiety is a condition that many of us has been afflicted with today. We can almost say that it's a modern time condition. And কি কাৰণে হয় এনজাইটিৰ মূল ৰিজনটো কি হয় আৰু এনজাইটিক আমি কেনেকৈ ডিফাৰেঞ্চিয়েট কৰিব পাৰোঁ, বিকজ দেৰ ইজ আ লট অফ things that involved in anxiety, and the symptoms may not always be very specific so that you can understand, like, or you can pinpoint ke etu anxiety hoy ne, is it something that I'm just getting scared of, what is it? To understand all of this, I'm going to simplify what anxiety is and why anxiety takes place. Okay, so প্ৰথমটো আমি বুজি পাব লাগিব that to understand anxiety is to be aware. যেতিয়া আপোনালোকে কনচিয়াছ হয় যে এই বস্তুটো কিবা এটা, প্ৰথমতে কিবা এটা বস্তুক বুজিবৰ কাৰণে আপুনি সেইটোৰ এৱেৰনেছ আনিব লাগিব. The point of anxiety first is to be aware that anxiety is present. But how do you understand? How do you know what is anxiety? I'll start off with an example. Human evolution. Human evolution ki bostu? Human evolution is the process of evolving from one stage to the other, right? The first example that comes to mind is the technological advance that human beings have done. Apuni janene je paper amar jibonole aha, it has been only 1500 years. Tar agote manuhe beleg bostu use korisile. Amar jeneke bahut puthi hasi patot likha ase, right? Amar forefathers stone use korise, wood use korise, anything that can be etched and carved to write stuff. Before paper was even found out, before paper was even discovered, before somebody thought ke hey, these are bamboos and let's mash it, pulp it, and put it in water, and then the residue will become paper, right? Tar pisot ahile paper or ফেক্টৰিজ, তাৰপিছত কমাৰ্চিয়েলাইজ হ'ল, এতিয়া আমাৰ হাতে হাতে পেপাৰ, আমি কেতিয়াও নাভাবোঁ যে পেপাৰৰ আগতেনো কি আছিলে, ৰাইট? কিন্তু সেই যে গেপটো হৈছে অকল 1500 বছৰ আগতেহে সেই গেপটো পূৰ্ণ হৈছে. তাৰ আগলৈকে মানুহে কি কৰি আছিলে? মানুহৰ যিটো ব্ৰেইন চলিছিল, মানুহৰ যিটো ইভলিউশ্যনৰ পথ আছিলে, যিটো আণ্ডাৰষ্টেণ্ডিং আছিলে টুৱাৰ্ডছ থিংছ, দে ৱেৰ অল ভেৰি ডিফাৰেণ্ট. ৰিচেণ্ট টাইমছত তেনেকুৱা কি এটা বস্তু আহিছে আমাৰ লাইফত যিটোৱে আমাক একদম ডিছৰাপ্ট কৰি দিছে, বাট এট দ্য ছেইম টাইম আমাক বিৰাট প্ৰপেল কৰি দিছে টুৱাৰ্ডছ এডভান্সমেণ্ট. আপোনালোকে ক'ব পাৰিবনে আনচাৰটো? বহুতে চাগে অলৰেডি গেছ কৰিছে. দি আনচাৰ ইজ দ্য ইণ্টাৰনেট. জাষ্ট বিকজ অফ দ্য ইণ্টাৰনেট, ইউ এণ্ড আই আৰ টকিং, উই আৰ চিটিং ফেচ টু ফেচ, এণ্ড উই কেন হেভ আ কনভাৰ্চেশ্যন এবাউট এনজাইটি, এবাউট আৰ থটছ, এবাউট আৰ অপিনিয়নছ, ৰাইট? সেই এডভান্সমেণ্টটোতো আমাৰ জীৱনলৈ অহা কিমান টাইম হৈছে? ইণ্ডিয়াত সেইটো বস্তু আৰু দেৰিকৈ আহিছে. আই ৰিমেম্বাৰ when I was in college, which was in between 2010 to 2014, we were never very accustomed to using the internet. আমার যেটা কিবা আইডিয়াজ লাগে, and I was like in a design school, so আমাক যেটা কিবা এটা এনেকুৱা আইডিয়া লাগে বা আমি যদি কিবা ৰিচাৰ্চ কৰিব খোজো, only then we used to use the internet. But now the entire education system has changed. Everything is on the internet. You can find all the answers on your fingertips. So stuff has changed. Life has changed. The evolution of the brain and the way it is going to survive in a very technologically advanced world has changed. That is why our parents, like the generation, the baby boomers, have still a huge gap. The learning curve is very high. Keneke use koribo lage internet, keneke ki koribo lage. Even generation Y, jitu ami hoy, hetu কিছুমান মানুহে who are not very exposed still don't know a lot of nuances about the internet. But Gen Z, which is the generation, the younger generation, the kids now, they are extremely well equipped with how the internet works, right? And with that comes a different wiring of the brain. The brain has been processing in a way to survive in a very fast-paced world. To understand, I've given you this example to understand that human brain plays the major role in how you perceive things, how you look at life, how your perspective becomes, and how you are molded as a person. What has this got to do with anxiety? The faster the world is changing, the faster our brains are trying to adapt to the world. But was it always meant to be like that? No. Is the normal pace of the brain actually equipped to evolve and adapt this fast? No. So this is where anxiety as a disorder comes into being. To make you understand, I'll give you another example that because anxiety aru bhoy ei bostutu ami amar vocabulary interchangeably use koru. Kunba jodi anxious hoy apunar sage ma ba deuta ba kunba friend e koy bhoy nekhabi bhoy kyo khaiso, and you would be, or anyone who is like, who has anxiety or would understand anxiety will be like ke moi bhoy khua nai. To understand this, anyway, to understand this, let's take an example. Moi ekhon habit goi asu rati bazise 3টা. Moi he habikhonar majori goi asu. Mo already olop bhoy lagise. I am having fear of the unknown, because I am a city dweller. I have never been to a forest, but for XYZ circumstances, I have to go to the forest and I have to walk through it. And I'm scared because I don't know what I'll encounter. I don't know what's going to happen in the forest with me. I don't even like insects, let alone animals, right? So I'm already fearful of the situation. And suddenly, out of nowhere, there is a rustling of leaves and a bear comes out. Bhaluk eta ulai ahile. He bhaluktuk dekhi mur brain to ek ki kobo? My brain goes into the mode of fight or flight. That means either you fight the bear or either you flight the situation. That is, you flee away from the situation. Apuni either you can lagibo pare bear tur logot, nohole apuni doribo pare situation tur pra. And as any commoner, as any person who does not have any supernatural abilities or any superpowers, I will prefer to run away. Instead, somebody who has huge strength or courage would jump on the bear and maybe start fighting it. But that wouldn't be the case for me. So what I'll try to do is I'll run from the situation. I'll try and outrun the bear, or I'll do something to save myself. This is where the survival mode of the brain opens up. Survival mode of the brain is always fight or flight. Fight or flight. This is where the situation comes into being. Anxiety jetya manuhor hoy, there is a false notion of danger and the brain is always doing fight or flight. Bujhile na kotha tu? Fear or situation to beleg, কিন্তু anxiety situation to kyo comparison to moi disu je anxiety hole manuhe he imminent danger to sense kori already brain to fight or flight mode ahi jay when there is no real danger. Karon he je situation to kotha moi kolu, he situation to no in reality keta manuhor logot hobo. Why will you first of all venture out into the forest? Because it's an unknown territory, you know that there may be danger. You anyways wouldn't go. Kintu anxiety hole manuhor ki hoy, he false notion of fear eta ahi jay. That is the most layman definition that I can give you to understand or to help you understand friends, people, parents or situations or yourself, and to understand whether it's fear or whether it's anxiety. Anxiety hole ki hoy, false notion of fear eta ahi jay aru ami hoday fight or fight mode thaku, fight or flight. Thik ase? That is the number one thing, differentiation between how you can understand what's anxiety and what is fear. Coming to the point ke etia apuni buji pale fear aru anxiety majo difference to ki. So next time if there is something that is bothering you and you know that enuka ta mur thought ahise jitur karone mur anxiety hobo pare ba jitur karone moi anxious feel korisu, I am feeling stressed, apuni bujibo lagibo that this is your body's natural response to making you survive. আমি যে সব বস্তু কৰোঁ, আমি জীৱনতনো বস্তুবোৰ কি কাৰণে কৰোঁ, আমি খাওঁ কি কাৰণে, তাকি আমি সাৰ্ভাইভ কৰিব পাৰোঁ, আমাৰ বডিটোৱে হেলদি থাকক, আমাক রুফ এখন লাগে কি কাৰণে, so that we can shield from all the natural elements and live in a safe space. Why? Because survival. So this is where the body's survival mode is always on, and this is a surviving mechanism. এটুত একো ভুল নহয়, আপোনালোক বেমাৰী নহয়, there is nothing that is abnormal or unnatural about anxiety. But to understand and to be aware of your condition is the first step to controlling it. If it's bothering you, you have to control it, and this is how it can be controlled, by being aware. So the first thing, if you are feeling anxious, if you're feeling out of place, if you're feeling threatened, or if you're feeling stressed, the first thing you need to tell your mind. Okay? You need to tell your mind. Eta apnaloke bhabibo pare mane moye koribo lagibo. Yes. You have to be control of your own mind. Nothing external can help you. Not a friend, not medicines, not parents, not a therapist. The first thing that you can do to control your anxiety is yourself and your dialogue with the brain, how you talk to your brain. So the first thing, if you feel anxious, you'll close your eyes. You'll take a deep breath in and out, and you will say, thank you. I know you're trying to help me, but there is no real danger here. I appreciate you trying to take care of me, but you can relax. Say it after me. Thank you for trying to help me, but there is no real danger here. You can relax. To acknowledgement nijor brainok diato is very important, because the brain is not trying to, you can't fight your body, you know, the brain is not your enemy, the brain is your friend in trying to help you survive. Our past experiences of fear actually result in anxiety. Anxiety is a byproduct of unresolved fears of the past. How and why, you ask? There is a saying, right? There is a muhavra that goes by, दूध का जला हुआ छाछ भी फूक फूक कर पीता है, which means that গৰম গাখীৰেৰে যোন মানুহে জলে মুখখন যাৰ পুৰে, সি ছাছ মানে তো ঠাণ্ডা ছাছ বস্তুটো, ইটস বাটাৰ মিল্ক, ৰাইট? সেই বস্তুটো ফুৱাই ফুৱাইহে খায়। মানে কি, আমাৰ বডিটোৰ যিবোৰ ষ্টিমুলাছ আছে, আমি অলৰেডি বডিটোৱে মানে সেইবোৰ ছেভ কৰি লয়, বুজিছেনে? যেনেকৈ কম্পিউটাৰত যে আমি বস্তুবোৰ ছেভ কৰোঁ, তেনেকৈ মানে কিছুমান আমাৰ কেচে যিটো থাকে আমাৰ, if you understand technology, you will realize যে কেচে ফাইলছবোৰ আমি ডিলিট কৰিব লাগে, নহ'লে আমাৰ মেমৰি বা কম্পিউটাৰটো শ্ল' হৈ যায়, হয়নে? একেই বস্তু আমাৰ বডিটো, আমাৰ মাইণ্ডটো, আমাৰ ব্ৰেইনটো এটা কম্পিউটাৰ, ব্ৰেইনৰ পৰাইতো কম্পিউটাৰ হৈছে ন? দ্য পিপল হেজ টেকেন ইনস্পিৰেশ্যন ফ্ৰম নেচাৰ টু ডু এভৰিথিং ডেটছ টেকনলজি, ৰাইট? চ' সেই ব্ৰেইনটোৰ যিবোৰ ষ্ট'ৰ্ড ইনফৰ্মেশ্যন আছে, সেইবোৰ যদি আমি কেচে ফাইল এটা বনাওঁ, সেই কেচে ফাইলছবোৰত ভাল এক্সপিৰিয়েঞ্চেছো আছে, বেড এক্সপিৰিয়েঞ্চেছো আছে। সেই বেড এক্সপিৰিয়েঞ্চবোৰ কিন্তু আমি ডিলিট নকৰোঁ, সেই বেড এক্সপিৰিয়েঞ্চবোৰো আমি মনৰ এটা সৰু হিডেন ফল্ডাৰ বনাই থৈ দিওঁ। সেই বস্তুটোৰ প্ৰায় এনজাইটিটো ট্ৰিগাৰ হয়। সেইবোৰ কাৰণ আমাৰ আনৰিজল্ভ ফিয়ৰ, সেইবোৰ আমাৰ আনৰিজল্ভ ট্ৰমা আৰু আনৰিজল্ভ ফিয়ৰৰ ৰিলেশ্যনটো কি, I'll again go about that in detail in another video. কিন্তু আপুনি বুঝক যে everything has an equal and opposite reaction. If you know, if you guys have heard of the butterfly effect, you will know that a butterfly thousands of kilometers away flutters its wings, and the effects and the repercussions of it are felt on the other end of the world. If you guys want to learn more about the butterfly effect, I'll attach 2-3 links here. You can go and check it out at your convenience. Also, there is a beautiful film where I first learned about the butterfly effect. It's called Donnie Darko. Movie khan apnaloke sabo pare. It's a dark film, but then again, it's a brilliant, like, mind-boggling kind of matter. So you guys can watch it. Moi jodi ebar eta bostu মই গাড়ী এখন চলালো, as simple as মই ড্ৰাইভিং স্কুললৈ গ'লো, মই গাড়ীৰ লেসন্স লৈ আছো, আৰু মই এদিন দেউতাৰ লগত ওলাই গ'লো গাড়ী চলাবলৈ, but I almost touched a car and my dad reacted in a way, hey, marile. And after that, I would rather drive alone, or I would rather think ke moi tetiahe drive korim jetia when the roads will be clear, or মই তেতিয়াহে ড্ৰাইভ কৰিম যেতিয়া মই আৰু মানে গাড়ীখন একদমে ভালকে চলাব জানো. What is that? That is unresolved fear, and that is irrational fear, right? এনেকুৱাটো কেতিয়াও হ'বই নোৱাৰে যে গাড়ী এখনেই নাই ৰাস্তাত, unless অসম বন্ধ হৈ আছে আৰু আপুনি ওলাই গৈছে আৰু আপোনাৰ তেতিয়াহে গাড়ী চলাব মন গৈছে, ৰাইট? আৰু নহ'লে এনেকুৱা কেতিয়াও হ'ব নোৱাৰে যে গাড়ীখন নচলোৱাকৈ মই গাড়ীখন চলাব পৰা হৈ গ'লো. So this, আৰু next time যেতিয়া মই গাড়ীত বহো, there is no guarantee, ক'তো লিখা নাই যে আকৌ হেতুৱে হ'ব, কিন্তু মোৰ মাইণ্ডটোৱে অলৰেডি মোক এটা স্পাইৰেলত পঠাই দিয়ে য'ত এটা বস্তুৰ ৰিয়াকশ্যন চাগে সেইটো বস্তুৱে হ'ব বুলি আমি মনতে আগতে ভাবি লওঁ, আৰু সেই বস্তুটোৱে হ'ল এনজাইটি, সেই বস্তুটোৱে হ'ল এনচিয়াছনেছ. The second thing to I'm coming to কি প্ৰথমটো আপুনি একনলেজ কৰিলে, থেংক কৰিলে আপোনাৰ ব্ৰেইনক. সেকেন্ড বস্তুটো হ'ল আপুনি আপোনাৰ ব্ৰেইনক যেতিয়া আপুনি এনচিয়াছ ফিল কৰিছে, আপুনি ষ্ট্ৰেছ ফিল কৰিছে, আপুনি সোধক, মোৰ ভয় লাগিছে, কিন্তু সেই ভয়টো ক'ৰ পৰা আহিছে? When you discover the root cause of the fear, it is easier to resolve the fear. It's easier to understand where it is coming from. And I'm not saying it will not take time. It may take time, but at least you will be on the right route. You will be in the right direction. So the next time, you're feeling anxious, you're feeling out of place, again, take a deep breath and ask yourself, where is this fear coming from? Maybe it's coming from the time where you were in childhood and nobody took care of you. Maybe it is that time that you were in the kitchen and apunar pra sabzi joli gol, cake to beya hoy gol, and everybody was like making fun of you. That's why you don't want to cook again. Or every time you cook, you're anxious. It can be anything, and never be ashamed of admitting it to yourself. You don't have to tell it to me, you don't have to tell it to anyone else, but at least the first thing to be more conscious in life is to be honest to yourself. So try and do these two things, and these are the most simplest ways of understanding what anxiety is. I just want it to be very accessible. Anxiety eta enekwa bostu hoi goise ajikali je jane sobe, kintu ki hoy bostu to ba differentiator ki hoy ba etu keneke handle koribo lage bohuta na jane, aru even like I want to impart that knowledge, and I want to make it easier for all of us to actually understand each other. He karne moi ekhini kotha kolu. I'll not make this video longer than this, because I want you guys to accept and do and grasp all of these information, and I'll do a second video on how to tackle anxiety and what can be done to actually benefit yourself when you are anxious, or if you see someone else anxious, what are the things that you should do and what are the things that you should not do. So please watch the next episode of Currently Conscious. Until then, it's Kasturi signing off, and thank you so much for being a part of this Currently Conscious journey. Also, before I go, I have linked my Instagram. As you can see, the handle is called Currently Conscious. I post every day about anxiety and mindfulness and how to be aware and more conscious in day-to-day life, and spiritually how to be more connected. Apunaloke jodi mok Instagram or follow ata kori diye, tenehole I'll be really motivated and thankful. And you can also keep a track of how to actually live life in a more aware and a more conscious way. So please support me on Instagram as well. And if you like the video, please let me know, and do let me know about your experiences of anxiety, or how did you come in terms with the word anxiety, or what is it that you want me to cover maybe, or want to know about anxiety further. Please leave a comment, or please like the video, share it if it helped you, and I'll be really grateful. This is me signing off. Be currently conscious. Bye.